Hello everyone and welcome to Stitchin' Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Thank you so very much for joining me today. If you guys have been here before, thank you very much for coming back. If you guys are new, why thank you for taking a chance. I appreciate it. Okay, today is the Mary Maxim crochet kit. So we call it an unbagging. Before I get into that, last month I did one of these. I had ordered the kit after July, like July, I don't know, 5th or something. They sent me June's kit. So whenever I did my video about the July kit thing, I got a few people saying that that was June's kit and not July's kit. I didn't receive anything other, so I kept thinking maybe they were going to send me July's, and I never ever got it. Today is August the 30th, and today I got August's. They charged my account like August 10th or something like that, and on like the 25th or something I sent them an email just like, wondering if I would get the July one, if I would still receive that one, or what kind of to expect, I guess. Basically, haven't received an email back, so I don't know if I'm getting, I have no idea what's in here, if this is July or August. So to me, my last time apparently was July's, but we'll see, I guess. So I'm not sure if this is July or August, so we'll find out together. Okay, so I clipped the top, but I haven't looked yet. It's dusty from the dirt road. Okay. Small receipt. Says anything else? Nope. This says I don't know. It doesn't say. But I can tell y'all this is not July's. It's cute. I'm pretty disappointed I didn't get July's because it was a hobo bag. Like I think that's what it was called, was a hobo bag. I don't know, it's just like a market bag that was super adorable. Anyway, okay, so the pattern is for a hexagon blanket, a baby blanket. And it's like there's usually another pattern. I'll look at those in just a second. So I got 8 skeins of super soft yarn. Baby blue, baby pink. This is gonna be an honest review already. I don't know. They're soft, don't get me wrong. It says they're Zeman super soft. This one says it's 99 cents. There's 4 of those. Then, let's see, does it say a color? Okay, I guess I can tell you guys that. 50 grams, 199 meters. It's 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide. I don't know. Lot 8072. I don't know what, it doesn't have a color name. It's made in Turkey. Okay. There. That color blue. Then I got pink. It's the exact same. Yep. Also doesn't have a color. Lot 496. This one, 89 cents. Okay. So far that's less than $8. This time they moved it to where it's $14.99, and then with shipping it's like $19.95 or something to get it to me. So that's, yeah, not even $8 worth of yarn. $14.95. Okay. Let's see here. Did we get more than one? Yes. So usually they send 2 patterns. I'll have to look and see if these patterns are free on their website, because if not, I'm pretty disappointed. Because I'm not only disappointed because I didn't receive July's at all. No one emailed me back or said anything. I got June's, even though I ordered into July. And then also, yeah, okay. Anyway, so the hexagon blanket, which is this one. So they sent me yarn for that. So I suppose, you know, the pink goes to this one. And then there's the baby diamonds blanket. They're both really cute patterns, but so there's that one. There's the middle of the diamond, or the, what's it, the hexagon blanket. That's what it looks like in the middle. It's really pretty. However, it's like kind of on this little booklet. There's like this one, and then you open it up and it has the pattern, and then it goes to this one. So there's two patterns, which there usually are. I'm gonna look and see if they're free on Mary Maxim, because I feel like either way, I mean, they'd have to be, you know, pretty expensive pattern to make up the difference. And like I said, the fact that I still have yet to receive July's, I mean, I'd be willing to pay for July's. I don't know why, you know, it's like I kind of did it as some fun extra something to open on here and to do on here. And so far I'm not really into it. I've mentioned before that I've done the Mary Maxim crochet kit one other time, whenever they do, because they start out and it's $9.95, and then after that it goes to $14.95. And the first time I did it for 1 month, and I really wasn't that impressed. And so I just thought, you know, I'm going to give it a good fair shot and try it again, because why not? You know, it's something to share with you guys and talk about. Like I said, this came today on August the 30th, which, I mean, it still came in August. I hear, you know, lots of people have issues, I'm sure, with things, but I just still think it's kind of odd that I still haven't received the, or didn't receive the July one, I guess is what I should say, because I just went from June straight to August, which is kind of weird. But anyway, I keep trying to get that back down in there and I can't, so I'm just gonna stop trying. So yeah, and I love baby blue. That's like, that's my jam. I love baby blue. It's really pretty and it is really soft. I'm gonna say it's a 3. It's pretty thin. I don't know. One, I feel like that's a price tag. If not, I don't know what that would be. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna be honest. I will probably try one more time for the September. If I'm not happy with it in September, I probably will just discontinue it and try to find like another, I don't know, like crochet club, or do something, I don't know what, but because I really do like Mary Maxim. I love their mystery box. I like all of their things. They have really good deals. I really do. I quite enjoy Mary Maxim and the whole thing that they have going. I'm just not really sure about the crochet kit club, or crochet club kit. I will definitely make this. Do not get me wrong. We are actually getting ready right now to leave and go for my treatment, and I'll probably take this with me with this and work on it, because I can use both of these things for donations, which is awesome. So like right there are 2 blankets to donate to the women's shelter. That's amazing. I'm really excited about that. I will make both of these patterns. Last time I got June's boxes, so I got a scarf and a shawl with the Rhapsody. It's super duper thin, and I don't know if I'll use it. I want to make the scarf. I don't know if I'll make it with cotton though. I may make it with something else, but I will use this yarn on these patterns, because that is just, it's really pretty. I like the diamonds. I really, really like this hexagon. So I'm definitely taking this with us on our trip. So we're getting ready right now to leave, and this came, and I was like, I want to go ahead and do it so that way I have it and know what's in it. That blanket is beautiful. I'm just thinking, if these are free on the website, it doesn't quite add up to $15. And I don't think that's right. That's all I'm saying. Like, you know, I've received a Mary Maxim surprise box a couple times, and like if it's not quite, you know, the 30, because it's $29.99 for their mystery box, and if it's not quite the $30 value, like I've had fold up scissors in there before, and they'll just throw like a little extra something in there to kind of make up, you know, sometimes it's just an extra gift. And you always get patterns with your Mary Maxim mystery box. They always send you like 2, if not 3 to 4 patterns. Usually you get like a really cool vintage pattern, you know, they're knit or crochet, it just kind of depends. I feel like that's absolutely worth it. So for like 2 of these, I could have all of that yarn, and there's usually like at least 15 skeins in one, you know, in one mystery box. Plus you get at like the minimum, like the least amount I've had is 15. And then like say you get several patterns and whatever, and that's, you know, 2 of these, that's the same price. So I don't know. I'll give it one more shot, see what happens, see if they email me back about July's. Like I said, I'm willing to pay for July just because that pattern is so cool. It's little triangles and you sew them all together, and or I guess they'd be squares. You stitch them all together for a bag. I mean, I can definitely figure it out, you know, but it would just be fun just because I just kind of feel like I got gypped a month, you know. Anyway, all right. Well, this is going in my crochet bag, and I'm going to take it and work on it because, like I said, that's 2 donation items, and I'm really excited about that. So for that reason, I'd say it's worth it. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know. I think I'd rather just save my money for 2 months and purchase a mystery box. So, okay. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys get this kit and you've had any issues at all, please let me know. Also, like if you guys got different things this time, like maybe this is, I'm pretty sure July's was the hobo bag and that was that. I don't know. Let me know, please, if you guys don't mind. So yeah, I'm not sure. This is August to me. So, all right. So thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Please stay safe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Okay. So since just a second ago to y'all, I went in the living room and I was showing the kit to my baby girl, and she was saying how much she likes the pink, and we were talking about how pretty that was and how much I like the blue and all those things, and everything's positive and everything's lovely, and we were discussing that, and I was showing her the patterns. You know, the pattern that they sent me with the yarn. They sent a pink blanket and a blue blanket pattern, pink and blue yarn. So I'm thinking I can make both of these things. That's awesome, right? Okay. As I was looking, the pink blanket, you need 50 grams or 199 meters. Let's check, shall we? Awesome. 50 grams, 199 meters. Absolutely perfect. So you need 6 of those for the one blanket. 6 of them. Little pockets in the way. They sent, as I'm sure you guys remember, they sent 4. So I don't have enough to make the hexagon blanket with the pink yarn. So I was like, okay, how about this other blanket? So then I looked at this one, the baby diamond blanket, which is right here. And this one, it says that it's a super fine 2 is what this is calling what this needs. The blue blanket is 200 gram balls or 327 meters, and it needs 6. It's and this is 199 meters. It needs 327 meters and 6 of them. Now, I mean, I'm not real good at math, don't get me wrong, but I don't feel like I have enough to make either blanket a solid color, and I don't feel like that's right. If you're going to send out a pink blanket pattern and a blue blanket pattern and only send not even $8 worth of yarn, there should be a whole nother one of these, at least like 2 or 3 skeins in each color, because I don't have enough to make either. So if I do make one of these blankets, it's going to be a multicolored blanket. It's not multicolored, y'all. So my plan was to take this with me, but no, I'm not. I'm sure I will still use these. I don't know what I'm going to use this on, because there's obviously not enough for even a baby blanket. So, told y'all I'd give them a fair shot one more time. Now I'm starting to wonder, because I can only make a baby blanket, and it's got to be multicolored. Okay, so I don't know. We'll see. So, I guess I'm not taking this now. I'm glad I looked at that before I took it and was in the car and getting ready to work on it. But yeah. Okay. So we'll see if I do it again. I'm not sure at this point. Okay. Thank you guys so very much again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Sorry, this is kind of like a negative Nancy video. I didn't want it to be. I was really excited whenever, to open it because it's fun, but kind of bummed now. I don't know. Alright. So I'll let you guys know if I make anything or what I make. Y'all be the first to know. So, alright. You guys have a wonderfully blessed day, and I will talk